Hey folks, good Wednesday afternoon. Welcome to our market intel brief here at TOPGUN Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz. And before we go any further, make sure you register for our free live trade brief tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. It's called Trading the Death Star, the only stock you need to own for the rest of your life. Now, if that hits you a little weird, like, dude, that doesn't make sense. I've been investing for a while and I have to diversify. Diversification is important. The 5 tips for diversifying. Diversification is for stupid people. It makes very little sense if you know what you're doing. So make sure you head to go.topgunoptions.com/deathstar and you can register to attend our free live trade brief tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you register, even if you can't attend. Wiz, I work tomorrow at 1 o'clock. A lot of people work tomorrow at 1 o'clock. I will send you the replay. Folks, this is the only stock you need to own. Trust me, diversification is for suckers. You've been lied to since day one of investing if you believe you have to diversify. This stock is in and of itself completely diversified, as James Woods kind of alludes to yesterday. James Wood, actor, great actor, and kind of a political activist right now. Right there. Invest in Amazon, folks. Pretty soon it's going to be the only marketplace left. That's exactly right. Amazon is the only stock you need to own for the rest of your life, and I'm going to tell you specifically why, how we can get long-term bullish on Amazon a couple years out into the future, but trade it tactically in the front months right now and be bearish because Amazon, let's go take a look, seeing a monster run right now, but it's going to give some of this back. I guarantee you. Let's take a look at Amazon's, recent 3-month run, man. Look at this. Kind of since May, beginning of May after earnings, gave a little bit back after earnings, buy the rumor, sell the news, and it just hasn't looked back except for now. So we actually have a weekly options trade on Amazon that is printing money right now. We did a bear call spread out to Friday that is up probably about 50% right now. And check this out. In our weekly options brief this morning, we made, if you stayed in the bear call spread that I placed before the brief started at around 9:54, you made $1,800 in about an hour. Okay, one sniper shot on the S&P 500 today. I did it as people were logging in, and then we closed it in the brief. If you stayed in that one, $1,800 in about an hour. Okay, men lie, trades don't. So come tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. Go.topgunoptions.com/deathstar. And we're also going to talk about how essentially the world's going to shit. Iran unveils a hypersonic missile yesterday. Netanyahu in Israel goes, yeah, that ain't going to happen. We're gonna go to war to prevent Iran ever deploying that thing and hitting us with a nuke. Over in Ukraine, there's war crimes going back and forth. Somebody blew up the dam yesterday. I think it was Ukraine, to be honest with you, but who cares? It's going to hell in a handbasket. Potential nuclear war. We got China. We got Taiwan. We have a massive debt issuance coming, right? Because we're bankrupt and we need to issue more paper so we can go deeper in debt. We have $1 trillion in debt getting ready to get pumped into this market, which is going to actually cause a lot of instability. So you see how we've had this rip your face off rally. It's kind of a short squeeze right now. I think we're going to give a lot of this back right now, especially, check this out. Look at the VIX, the volatility index, folks. We are down at 13 yesterday. 13 is insane for the VIX. Look at the five-year chart of the VIX. The VIX was up at 90-ish around the COVID crash, which I predicted to the day, wrote a book about it, COVID Crash, From Panic to Profit. We made millionaires here at TOPGUN Options. Little old ladies in tennis shoes, man, turned into millionaires, pounding the market into the dirt for a month in the COVID crash. But look at this. The VIX, the last time, I think we kind of kissed a little 14-ish, back in some 2021. But folks, look at this. Doesn't the VIX, what does it look like to you? First of all, it's not a stock, right? It doesn't go up and to the right. Like, hey, it's Amazon. It goes straight up. No. The VIX is a heart rate monitor, right? It pops on uncertainty and then implodes on kind of certainty, right? If something happens to freak the market out, the VIX pops. When that freak out goes away, the VIX goes down. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. We have an extended period of low volatility. The thing's getting ready to pop for a whole host of reasons that I will brief you on tomorrow in Solo Amazon. But Amazon giving a little bit of it back, which is good because, like I said, we have a bearish weekly options trade on that's looking pretty good. We placed that Monday in our Solo Amazon brief right here, and it's imploding. Perfect. So this ain't hard, folks. I'm going to teach you. If you're new to options trading, don't worry about it. If you know what a stock is, I can teach you what options are. It's not hard. It's actually pretty damn easy. Once you put a little brain power into it, you're like, man, this wasn't hard. Precisely. If I can do it, you can do it. So make sure you head to go.topgunoptions.com/deathstar, and you will find out why Amazon is the only stock you need to own for the rest of your life. I'll be showing free trades tomorrow, folks. That's worth the price of admission, which is free. But I'm going to show you and put my money where my mouth is, okay? Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern in the briefing room. Even if you can't make it, make sure you register, okay? Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Fights on. Namaste and basi basi. I'll see you tomorrow.